Say you're a small manufacturer making sweet wooden stick horses. Business is booming, your online store is becoming alarmingly popular, and customer orders are flying in by email and phone. You look through your spreadsheets to get an idea of your inventory and get started on a plan to actually produce and deliver all these orders. But some of your records are out of date and others have magically disappeared. So you fall behind on your deliveries and your customers are not happy. With Katana, you can forget about spreadsheets and quickly bring your manufacturing, warehousing, purchasing, and sales onto one ridiculously easy-to-use online platform. Katana gives you a visual dashboard with real-time statuses for every order and process. Drag and drop to flexibly reprioritize your activities. Your inventory levels are automatically updated so you can always maintain optimal stock. This makes it easy to scale up your production, and you never have to worry about missing a delivery deadline. Katana runs on the cloud, so you can take care of business on any device, anywhere you go, and your data is always safe. And you can connect it with your favorite e-commerce, accounting, and shipping platforms to get you up and running in minutes. Just how easy can it get? Try it yourself at katanamrp.com.